Hi friends, this is Harsha. Welcome to Know Your Stockbroker. In this video, let us compare and review Zerodha and Faiz. Zerodha was founded in 2010 by Nitin and Nikhil Kamath. Faiz was founded in 2015 by Tejas and Yashash Kode. Zerodha is the first discount stockbroker and now the number one stockbroker in India. Faiz is the youngest stockbroker in India, known for their trading platform, and they are the fast upcoming stockbroker in India. Let us compare Demat and annual maintenance charges of Zerodha and Faiz. Zerodha collects 300 rupees to open a Demat account online and 600 rupees to open a Demat account offline. Faiz collects 400 rupees for opening Demat account either online or offline. Both Faiz and Zerodha collect 300 rupees per annum for AMC. Brokerage charges for Zerodha and Faiz are the same. Zero brokerage on investment for both Zerodha and Faiz. Intraday equity, it is 0.03% or 20 rupees per lot, whichever is lower. These charges are applicable across the segments like futures, options, currency and commodity. In one order, if it is one lot or 100 lots, the brokerage is just 20 rupees per executed order. Now let us look at the leverage of Zerodha and Faiz. For equity intraday, both Zerodha and Faiz provide leverage up to 16x. Equity futures, currency futures and commodity futures, Zerodha provides the leverage of 2.5x, whereas it is 3x in Faiz. For option selling, Zerodha's leverage is 2.5x, it is 3x in Faiz. Both Zerodha and Faiz provide no leverage on delivery. Now let us look at the margins. For equity, bracket order and cover order, Zerodha provides margin up to 20x, whereas Faiz provide up to 30x. For F&O, currencies, commodity, bracket order and cover order, the margins provided by Zerodha is 3.3x. It is between 5 and 8x in Faiz. Let us look at the trading platforms. Zerodha's web-based trading platform is Zerodha Kite. Desktop platform is Zerodha Pi. Mobile platform is Kite Mobile. For Faiz, it is Faiz Web, Faiz One and Faiz App. Now let us look at the web-based trading platform of Zerodha and Faiz. Zerodha's web-based platform is Kite. Zerodha is the first broker in India to provide level 3 market data. That is, you can see 20 ask and bid prices. Zerodha is providing Chart IQ and TradingView charts. But Zerodha's TradingView chart is not having all the features that Faiz have. Kite has 100 indicators. Economic calendar and corporate actions are not available in Kite. On volatile days, Kite experiences technical glitch. Most of the traders are not happy with the technical glitch as their profitable trades are becoming loss-making trades. Faiz's web-based trading platform is Faiz Web. We can place orders on the chart. We can track profit and loss on the chart, and we can square off and reverse orders from the chart. We can also place orders on DOM, that is depth of the market, also known as price ladder. Corporate actions like bonus, split, dividends available on charts. On the right click of the chart, we can get fundamental and technical analysis of the stock. We can get the economical calendar on the chart. In my next video, I will compare Kite and Faiz Web in detail. Now, let us look at the desktop platform of Zerodha and Faiz. Zerodha's desktop platform is Pi. Over 80 indicators, multi-monitor friendly, can recognize candlestick patterns. Economic calendar and corporate action is not there. By loading charts, Pi frequently hangs. Fire's desktop platform is Fires 1, heat maps, screeners and scanners, sector-wise analysis, DII and FII reports, excellent EODU reports, option chain. In-depth code, you can get fundamental and technical data of a stock. FNO analytics. Fires 1 is way ahead of Pi. Now, let us look at the mobile app of Zerodha and Fires. Kite Mobile provides level 3 market data, fundamental analysis and technical analysis at the click of the button. Easy user interface. Zerodha provide paid services app are available on mobile. Easy login. Fires app has heat maps, screeners and scanners. Excellent charting tool. Easy user interface. Option and margin calculator. But we need to log in multiple times. Using automated pre-programmed trading instructions. The biggest advantage in algo trading is removal of human emotions. Now let us look at the algo platform. Both Zerodha and Fires charge Rs 500 per month for API bridge. For real-time data, Zerodha charges 2000 per month and Fires charges 1599 per month. For historical data, Zerodha charges 2000 per month and Fires charges 1599 per month. Algo without coding is possible with Zerodha and Fires. Let us look at education and awareness. Zerodha's Vacity and Fires School of Stock has excellent reading material and covers wide range about stock market. Both provide this for free for everyone. Both have YouTube videos about the trading platform. Zerodha is not conducting Zoom webinars, whereas Fires is conducting Zoom webinars. No awareness programs are conducted by Zerodha, whereas Fires, on collaboration with MCX and Traders Carnival, conduct awareness program. Look at incentives and referrals. Fires has 30-day challenge. Zerodha has 60-day challenge. The challenge is that you have to be on profitable trades on all the 30 days or 60 days after deducting brokerage and tax. On completion of the challenge, Fires gives the digital certificate and all the brokerage incurred during the period is refunded. Whereas Zerodha does not refund brokerage but gives a digital certificate. Referral scheme, yes, both Zerodha and Fires have that. The incentive is 10% brokerage generated by the referral is the reward given by Zerodha, whereas in Fires it is 20% brokerage. Now, let us see who is better in different parameters. Client, no doubt Zerodha is far ahead. Brokerage, both are equal. Leverage, Fires is slightly ahead. Web-based platform, Fires is ahead. Desktop platform, Fires ahead. Mobile platform, Zerodha is ahead. Education, both are equal. Awareness, Fires ahead. For API, both are equal. Robust platform, Fires is ahead. Paid services, Zerodha. 30-day challenge, Fires. Referrals, Fires. Webinars equal. Zoom webinars, Fires. Service and support, Fires. Though Zerodha has a better client base, but Fires have better trading platform and edges Zerodha in few parameters. Hi, this is Harsha signing off. In my next video, we will compare Kite and Fires Web in detail. Thank you.